What's up? Wow, this lighting's pretty bad. Let's go here. What's up, guys? It's February 15th, 2021, and I'm in Houston, Texas right now. We are experiencing a cold front, which doesn't happen very often. An extremely harsh cold front. It hasn't been this cold in years. So I was like, so it's pretty icy today. It was actually snowing a lot today, and I didn't think that we were gonna lose power, but at 5 p.m. today, Houston, Texas, well, my neighborhood, lost power. My friend that lives I have two friends that live 10 and 20 minutes away. They have power, and it's around 18 degrees right now. I have a flashlight right here so I can do stuff. And with that, you know what I ate today? I ate, oh man, I'm gonna lose so much muscle, but for dinner I had a protein shake and a banana. That's it. And I don't know when we eat tomorrow. Maybe some cold bread and some Spam. I don't know, we'll see. But it's 18 degrees right now. I got a beanie on. I have my hoodie, and I have some long pants and some hiking socks. I don't know if you can see that. I got some hiking socks, some thick hiking socks. And yeah, this is a double layered bed. Got one blanket, two blankets, and my bed feels like a freaking rock. It's super hard. It's like frozen. So, and I checked the internal temperature of my house is I think 60 degrees right now. So yeah, no power. Dude,
what's up, dude? It's a vlog. Oh,
what's up, dude?
What's up, man? Been a long time, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, let's kill this run today, bro.
Go for a run, you know what I'm saying? 3 miles, nothing. It's like
3 miles. I thought 10 miles, dude. 10 miles? No?
yeah.
Some new shit today. Are you serious? This is okay. Oh my god. It's alive. Larry the lobster. Ah! What are you adding, Christine?
I'm adding crab boil.
Like, how do you know how much to use?
I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in.
Yeah, I put a garlic pepper, onion powder, paprika.
Not today, man.
Dude, I don't know if I'm putting too much.
I mean,
we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out. What are you adding, Christine?
I'm adding crab boil.
Like, how do you know how much to use?
I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in.
Yeah, I put a garlic pepper, onion powder, paprika.
Not today, man.
Dude, I don't know if I'm putting too much.
I mean,
we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out.
And then
On
I'll
the
put
next
some
episode.
On the next episode?
After this break.
Oh, sorry.
paprika. I don't have that much left. What the heck?
Oh, damn. That's very...
Paprika. Is there anything in here that I can use? No, right?
Instead of what?
I just need paprika. I guess that's it.
Paprika? You don't have paprika up here?
I have a refill up there. I don't know.
Do you need help getting it?
I'm too short.
I can get it.
I can get it.
No, I can get it.
It's in the back.
Okay, I can get it. Horrible. Oh my god, it's like so live too.
Stop, I'm so sorry.
Little David.
No, you murdered, dude.
Wait, it's probably like, what is going on?
Oh! All I care is cause money.
Maybe I should have put some vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil? Why? Oh, it's kind of like it's not a lot of oil here.
To make it oily.
It's okay. First time. First time. Your shoulder work. Your shoulder workout, dude.
You say it's good. Say it's good for the camera.
It's good. I mean, it has no sauce. What do you want me to say?
Right.
It doesn't taste good by itself.
It was just crawfish.
I think it tastes like a little bit bland, right?
Does it taste anything?
No, it just tastes like crawfish.
Alright, let's dip with the butter. How about that? Let's dip
We
with the
can
butter.
try.
Here. Get that tail.
Yeah, give this one to Kenny.
Oh, okay.
Here, you tell me what you're thinking. Try that. It's like crawfish.
Yeah, fuck.
I don't know what you expected.
You eat the crawfish and you like it tastes like
It
beef.
tastes like chicken.
Alright, let's get one with the sauce.
Oh, you don't like it?
I don't like it sweet.
Good.
Good, right?
No.
No, it's not good.
Who said that?
1 out of 10. How is it?
I don't taste sauce.
Oh, you
I
don't.
kind of want to just pour the whole thing on this one.
No, I was thinking leave it soaking longer.
Huh?
So it can soak up the seasoning more.
What's all this? Oh, is it butter?
Yeah, it's a little.
It's good. What's wrong with you?
It tastes like fish, like the sea.
What?
What?
Tastes like sea.
Crawfish?
Oh, it looks pretty good.
I don't know. Maybe I just need more sauce, I think.
Yeah.
Do you have more garlic?
We have raw
Yeah,
garlic.
there's a lot.
Okay.
Do we like pour you a cup of sauce?
My mom's probably gonna make sauce right now.
Oh, she's gonna make sauce.
It's good. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't taste any sauce.
Okay. Just put more
I
on
kind
that.
of just want to pour the sauce on this.
What did you put on that sauce?
Garlic, lemon pepper, butter,
Smoked paprika.
paprika, and the seafood sauce. I mean, seafood seasoning.
Uh-oh.
I mean, I'll eat it.
Uh-oh.
Just,
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean,
it's underneath the sink.
okay. Appreciate it. Thank you, Christine.
Oh!
Oh, I got it.
Oh my. Chewy?
That's really salty.
Oh.
It's salty?
I mean, yeah, it's pretty salty because of all the seasoning.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be like
The big one?
Like the
I think it's
the
no,
cover?
I think it's yeah.
how can you be so cruel,
It's not
man?
thinking anything.
Huh?
It's not even thinking anything.
What do you mean? How do you know?
How
You're
do
not
you
the
know?
one that's been stuck in the fucking.
How do you
What
know?
is that called?
Stop fighting, mom and dad. So this
You
is.
weren't the one stuck in the cooler, wondering where the fuck you are. You belong in the. Where do they live? Where do they live?
They live in the
Swamps.
swamps of
So where do you
Florida.
find crawfish?
Swamps.
Where? Swamps.
Louisiana.
Oh,
I'm done. That was it.
I got that on camera. So this is what your mom ate, right?
I mean, she threw her other half away. But hold on, let me show you Kenny's.
Wait, hold on. Let's see what you. Oh, you already cleaned yours.
Oh, mine's right here.
Okay. And this is what Kenny ate. What the? Dude, this is literally one person. This is literally a graveyard of crawfish, and this is what Christine ate. Her mom ate,
No, my mom ate more, but
and what I ate.
it's freaking funny.
Oh, what the hell?
Huh? I swear she has a crawfish. She's gonna walk in here with a crawfish in her mouth. Kiko!
Damn, the lighting's hella good here.
I think it's ugly.
The lighting is hella good here.